everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It is glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the aluminium water bottle, which is light and suitable for hiking and doing sports. It varies in capacities from 450 milliliters to 750 milliliters. Also, it is made of two colors, white and stainless steel. The white one can be more colorful in design, but the other one is more suitable for simple design. They have different results in printing, so you can choose the one you like. If you want to have more colors on the stainless steel color bottle, you can try to use UV DTF like this. Okay, let's go for design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For bottles, I usually make them 3 mm higher than their original height for easier printing, and the width is no changes. So, we prepare different sizes of templates for you to use. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. You can see they are rectangle shapes and easy to design. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, choose the correct template you need and put your design in the blue area, which is the printing area. Make sure the width of your design is not beyond the blue line. Second, your important elements are put in the safety area, the orange area, like texts, cartoons or images, etc. Otherwise, your design will be printed failure. Third, as you can see, your design can be shown perfectly in white color. You can design it freely. On the other hand, we suggest your design is darker and more saturated because the light color is not obvious enough on the stainless steel color background. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.